Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass.